No shit, Sherlock, cause they're new. New car, new paint, spill some nouveau, new stain, new tires, new things, handful of money like new rain, new diamonds, new chain, new bracelet, new ring, new shirt, new pants, nigga watch me do my new dance, new shoes, new socks, new boxes, new tank tops, new cut, fresh line, new strap, fresh nine, new wallet, new paper, new package, new razor, new weed, new pills, nigga all I got is new deals, new number, new phone, new address, new home, new bitch with some new thongs, now watch me get some new dome, new pussy, new ass, feed her out my new stash. Once I get that new nut, I'ma treat that bitch like new trash. She strutting in her new heels, new dress with some nice breasts. Fall asleep on top of her, you probably get some nice rest. New sleep, new creep, man I love a new freak. I'm ready for a new week, so I can smack some new cheeks. New day, new night, man I love my new life. I promise I'ma do right. I love rolling these new dice. Got new haters, new spectators, new outsiders, new dick riders. Got new friends, new love, new daps, new hugs. I pull up to the new club on 3rd is that don't scrub. Smelling like some new shit, fresh up out my new tub. All I see is new faces, new niggas, new hoes. Time to grab my jewelry rag so I can shine my new goals. New shades, new designer, hop up out that new recliner. Damn, she look like Pocahontas. I spotted my new baby mama, shorty swagged out. Real shit, she might be my new bitch. Got the new tights with a new twist. I know she wants some new dick. New man with a new plan that'll take her to see some new land. New vision, new outlook. You wanna see what that's about? Look, I got the shorty on rep shorty, my actions speak louder. I have your ass on the hill somewhere looking over mountains. Yeah, I think I'm all that. All I like is new shit. Step your game up. Why sell rocks when you can sell bricks? Why sell nickel bags when you can sell pounds? Why serve neighborhoods when you can serve towns? New plug, new drugs. I'm fucking with some true thugs. New guns, new clips, new beef. Don't trip. I hit you with these new tips. You gon' need some new hips, new rifles, new pistols. Got some shit that shoot missiles. Rip straight through bone gristle. The shit I got is official. Nighttime, new stuff. Who won't see a new war? Better go your ass inside before I knock your roof off. New game, same game. Gatlin is my new name. I'm spitting like a blue flame, lightning like Usain. I kick ass like Luke Kane. Gatlin is my new name. I'm spitting like a blue flame, lightning like Usain. Hold up, son. Check this bitch out. You heard me? New car, new paint, spill some nouveau, new stain, new tires, new things, wetter than some new rain, new diamonds, 2 chains, 2 bracelets, 2 rings, new hat, new fit, all I wear is new shit, new car, new speakers, new amps, new tweeters, and I got some new dope, so I hope y'all got some new needles, new lick, new clientele, new business I buy and sell, everything legit, cause I ain't tryna die in jail, new lawyer, new paralegal, new 40, new desert eagle, naughty by blood, bitch, I'm your new idol. Die hard, pray for me, that's the new title. Only thing I got old is the Holy Bible. God bless me with both arms, I could hold a rifle. New heart, new thoughts, I kill your ass with 2 darts. Military minded, I gives a fucks what you thought. I be in that new park, working on my jump shot. I feel like I'm the new Jordan, new Barry Sanders, new Tupac, new Charles Barnes, new Scarface, new Frank Lucas. All day they rebuilt the projects, new cuts, new hallways, new shirt, new pants, new song, new dance, new cut, fresh line, new banger, Tech 9, new day, new night. Welcome to my new life. I promise I'ma do right. These lyrics got me too psyched. New car, new truck. I'm about to buy a limo to ride with my kinfolks and bump instrumentals. New beat, new heat. You about to hear some new leaks, new lab, new chemistry. Shout out 1 Timothy, Proverbs and Psalms. We have the right to bear arms. New laws, new politicians. I pray that they come up missing, trying to send us all to prison. Fuck that with precision. We in a new position, permanent coalition. I love this street shit, but I'd rather be fishing. Remember Hot Boys, Die Hard, the new edition. Pray for me.